Hi, welcome to everyone. Today's tutorial is all about creating an invisible folder, changing its icon, and making it easily accessible on your Windows desktop. Right-click on your desktop and create a new folder. Right-click on the new folder and select Rename. Let's give it a name. Press and hold the Alt key. While holding Alt, type 255 using the numeric keypad. Make sure number lock is on. Then release the Alt key. Hit Enter to confirm the folder name. Right-click on the invisible folder. Select Properties. Go to the Customize tab. Click on Change Icon. Scroll through the options, and select an empty icon. The folder will now appear invisible on your desktop. But wait, here's something really cool, trick to spot your hidden folder, wherever you've placed it. Click, and hold the right mouse button, on an empty area of your desktop. While holding the right mouse button, drag the cursor around. Did you see that? Wherever you've hidden the folder, the moment you perform this mouse trick, it will pop into view. Whenever you want to change icon, or name, easily you can edit, same like I am showing in the screen. If you like this video, please subscribe, and share to others they can benefit it. Thank you. Bye.